Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. Today is day 2 of Maven series. So let's get started without any delay. So yeah, up to yesterday we understand what is Maven, okay, and what is EAR and what var, EAR, Maven, understand this also, pom.xml also we understand. And now we have to understand the setup of Maven. So first thing we have to do is you have to create an EC2 instance. Then you have to command yum install git java 1.8.0 openjdk maven tree-y. Then mbn hyphen version. Then you have to do git clone. So here you have to do anything according to yours. Jenkins java project.git cd Jenkins java project. So this is the setup. I'll show you also tomorrow session. Today just we have to understand. Okay. And our goal is simple. A task to perform. Maven lifecycle will consist of total 7 steps. Okay. So this is the most important thing about the Maven, that it will have 7 steps. So each goal will work for different outputs. To execute goals, we need to have plugins. And what is plugins? That we will see. It's a small software which automate our work. So plugin is nothing but it's a small software which automate our work. So see, today, like see, this thing also I'll explain, and if possible I'll try to show it today also, or if not then I'll do it for tomorrow. So what the thing is there, see, first we have to understand what exactly do and what is the 7 steps in the Maven life cycle, and then we will understand, see the practical. So see, first step is nothing but ambient compile. So what is the meaning of ambient compile? So ambient compile used to compile the code. Which code? Our Java code. So that we, sorry, okay, leave it. So that we use to compile the code. See, main. Main is nothing but, if you people have a basic idea of any programming language, then you can understand main is nothing but, sorry, main is nothing but, in main that our core code, that is .java code, will be there. If you will compile it, you will get a .class file, and that is target group. So see, .java means basic raw code. I write it to manually so that it will be easy for you people to understand the concept. So .java is nothing but it's a basic raw code. We want to use this code. That, and if .java file is there, so .java directly you can't use. So here the same thing I write, we can't use this code. Next thing is .class. So what is .class? So it is the real executable code. We can use this code. So first command is nothing but, you have to use ambient compile. So if you will use ambient compile, it will convert your .java file to .class file. Understand? Okay. So second step is nothing but ambient test. So this is the command, okay? Ambient test. So what ambient test will do? So it is used to test the code. If you will use ambient test, so it will test the code, and it will give some, if something will be wrong, it will reflect. Third step is ambient package. So ambient package is nothing but, it is used to create artifact on the project directory. When we will discuss pom.xml, see here only where it is pom.xml in the yesterday class. If you missed it, go and first watch the day 1 of Maven, and then you come to the day 2. So in that only first day we will discuss that pom.xml, this file must be in the project folder. So how it will come? So for that also we have one command. What is that command? That is what? Ambient package. So ambient package will do, it will create an artifact. Artifact is nothing but the final product of the code on your project directory. Then the fourth thing is ambient install. So ambient install, why we use? So it is used to create artifact on the project directory and Maven home. Maven home where? So we discussed yesterday also only M2. That is Maven home.m2. So see ls root.m2 repository and one second or whatever the Netflix and C. So this is the ambient install. Next step is ambient clean. So what ambient clean will do? So to delete the artifact. If something miss and you really want to remove it, so you will use ambient clean. So it is used to delete the artifact. Next step is ambient clean package. So what it will do? So it will use to perform end-to-end activity. See, if you want to use, you can use all these things one by one, or if you will do this single command, it will perform all this thing with the help of single command. So that's why we write here, it is used to perform end-to-end task. So before going to see the practical, we have to understand before Maven, like what was the problem and why Maven came into the market. See, this is not the thing which you have to this will ask in the interview or somewhere, but this thing you have to understand, because many, if some manager around this question, they may ask what was the problem, why Maven came into the market. So that's why I covered this thing also, why Maven came. So what the problem without Maven 2. So without Maven, we can't create artifact. So when Maven was not there, we can't create the artifact. We have to do everything by writing some manual code only. We can't create project structure. So for project structure also we have to write and we have to create manually. So that we are not able to do without Maven. And we can't build and deploy the application at the same time. So this was the problem we are facing without Maven. Okay. And yeah, so this is I think more than enough for today. And tomorrow we'll see the practical and we'll also understand what is Maven and all this thing. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a nice day, great day. Be in touch with me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tomorrow you will see the practical and some more question and answer. So thank you once again.